This is my friend Nick, and he's helping me with background music for these videos. Hi, Nick. Hi, Nick. Hi. Bye, Nick.
Bye. He's the world's greatest Chad. Yeah. He's not bad. No. He's gonna take a great big bite, wandering aimlessly through life. He's the world's greatest Chad. Yeah.
We're in the Yale Medical Library, and all of these jars behind me contain either brains or tumors, or brains with tumors.
Hey everybody, this is the world's greatest Chad coming at you from the Peabody Museum. Look out there, giant squid in a cathedral. Well, more later everybody.
We're leaving the Peabody Museum. We're gonna go get some food or something. So there wasn't any food in New Haven, so we came to Providence. This is my friend Benny, and he's painting a Furiosa arm on the door of my bus. Nick makes these toys, and he left this one behind for me to use in the background music for these videos. And this one runs on light. Thanks, Nick.
The show's over. See you next time.
He's the world's greatest Chad. Yeah!